After 3 or 4 decades of distinguished service, it is common to feel a sense of stillness. You have a lifetime of expertise, but the technology around you seems to be moving at a pace designed to leave you behind. Companies are filling their ranks with younger workers simply because they know how to navigate modern software. In your 20s, they skip over the basics, drown you in technical jargon, and move too fast. Artificial intelligence offers a different path. It does not require you to learn how to code or master complex software. By removing the technical barriers, AI allows you to speak your instructions naturally. It takes your lifelong judgment and immediately translates it into high-quality professional output. We can plot exactly why this works by looking at this matrix. It measures domain depth on the vertical axis against execution speed on the horizontal axis. Before AI, a senior professional sat in the top left quadrant. You possessed deep expertise and rich networks, but your output was capped by slow manual processes. Contrast that with a young professional using AI today in the bottom right. They generate answers instantly, but without real-world context, their output is shallow and generic. Now look at the top right quadrant. This is a senior professional paired with simple AI tools. You feed 30 years of domain mastery into the AI's rapid processing speed. Speed without wisdom produces errors at scale. AI requires precise context to be accurate. That makes experienced seniors the most capable operators for these tools. This progress bar maps out the AI for Seniors training blueprint. The first 2 months focus entirely on the AI beginner phase. The commitment is small. You will spend 30 to 60 minutes a day completing guided exercises, entirely on your smartphone. The first hurdle is usually the fear of breaking the device or compromising your data. Level 1 strips away the jargon and technical steps to focus entirely on safe, risk-free usage. The primary objective here is to understand boundaries. You will learn exactly what AI is capable of, and, equally important, where its limits lie. Once you establish a daily habit and feel confident navigating the interface on your mobile phone, you are ready to apply these tools to your specific profession. As the progress bar moves into months 2 through 4, you enter the AI practitioner phase. Here, you start digitizing your specific expertise. You will draft professional reports, format standard operating procedures, and build project plans in seconds. The most common error at this stage is stepping back and letting the AI generate ideas from scratch. Left alone, it will output obvious, average text. To fix this, you apply your domain mastery. You write specific prompts detailing exactly what you want, and you correct the AI's assumptions when it misses the mark. You are no longer writing every word yourself. Instead, you are acting as the senior editor, reviewing and refining the rapid drafts the AI produces. The final segment of the blueprint, months 4 through 6, is the AI consultant phase. In this tier, you tackle case-style exercises drawn from real industries. Whether you spent your career in banking, engineering, law, or civil service, you will use AI to solve these complex scenarios, saving the results to build a concrete portfolio of your work. You will then use the software to generate an AI-enabled resume, a document that clearly presents your lifetime of experience alongside your new technical efficiency. By the end of this 6th month, you transition from a retired practitioner into a capable consultant, equipped to take on paid, real-world projects. To start this process today, navigate to the AI for Seniors website. On the homepage, select the Register and Start option, and then click on the Level 1 AI Basics Self-Study Workbook. Once registered, you will immediately gain access to the daily materials and a dedicated WhatsApp mentor system to answer your questions. The curriculum was designed by Umesh Prabhu, a 75-year-old Indian engineer. He built this platform to learn alongside you and to ensure the pacing matches your needs. Your decades of experience are too valuable to sit idle. By investing 30 minutes a day, you can recharge those skills and put them to work in the AI era.